In this video, I'm here to tell you how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And the opportunity is out there, but there are people who are wasting their time doing things that they don't need to do. Such as somebody shook hand and then forgot he shook hand, then he raised his hands again, waiting to shake hand again. Now this has been done by President Biden, and people are making fun meme videos about it and literally getting millions of views, 1.7 million views. Another video about President Biden forgets 3 million views, 2.3 million views. Instead of talking about how one of the most important presidents in the world forgot about something and waste these amazing opportunities, all these millions of views. Do something worthwhile that will actually make you money. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. All we want from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, so everyone else learns how to make money online the same way you will learn. They will love you for sharing awesome information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online, and you can do it too. Start today. Hit the like button, share this video, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let me show you money. This is one of my Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and you can see today $293, yesterday $882, last 30 days $41,000, last month $46,000. This is money, and this is so exciting. And all this money came from all these visitors. These visitors got benefited from our contents like these videos. They clicked our links, our affiliate links, and these links, and they purchased from clicking on those links. This is the power of content, the power of videos, the power of talking to people and giving people the information they are looking for. Yes, by the way, we make money making videos, but unlike this channel where we use cameras and microphones, on our other 20 plus channels, we use our artificial intelligence software Epic, because with Epic, we can use anyone as our assistant, as our team member, literally any beginner, to make videos using text, image, without using camera and without using microphone, without even writing any text or script. So Epic allows us to make videos using image, screenshots, text, bookmarks, notes that we take while watching information videos, screenshots. By the way, no script writing. We simply go to the text section, click the text generator, copy text from anywhere, put it here, click any of these buttons, and the AI rewrites the text for us. That is ours. Then we take that text, go to the audio section, click the text to audio add button, put that text here and click one button, and the text is converted into natural sounding voiceover, so we don't have to record our voices in other 20 plus channels. And this is exactly how we manage multiple channels on multiple niches at the same time without actually using cameras and microphones. And Epic allows us to make bite-sized videos. You can see on the right hand side, they can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. You can save your work, come back later, add more sections, and when you are done, just click one render button and immediately your video is ready in the cloud, in the background, without you noticing anything. Then when the video is done, you will get an email notification that your video is ready, and you can download it, upload it on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, get all the customers you ever need. But you have to provide them valuable information so they click your links and purchase from you. So I'm gonna copy this screenshot, go to the image section, add a new section on Epic, put this screenshot here, click upload, and in a matter of seconds, the image is uploaded in the library. I can use it anytime I want, anywhere I want. Just click use, and the image is here. I can zoom it, talk about it, add more text, add more image, and basically my video is ready. So let's get back to memory and you making money. Instead of talking about someone forgot something and make a meme out of it and lose all the opportunities of making money online, why not go and search about improve memory and concentration? You know, just like President Biden, millions of people suffer with memory and concentration. And that's why this niche, these videos are so popular and they're actually helpful. If you watch watch 10 of these videos. Take a little notes using Epic. Simply when you go through the information, take screenshots, take notes and put them on Epic, make simple sections, and later add your knowledge into your video clips and turn your learning into your own video. Those videos will be really helpful videos and people will love you for sharing valuable information. They will follow you and they will love to click your links that you put on your YouTube video descriptions. And in case of TikTok, you can put your links in the bio. People will click and buy from you and you will be the one making money online just like this. This is the simplest form of making money online using opportunities of helping others, using free information and free softwares like Epic. By the way, Epic is free, link is in the description. Go start using Epic, make useful, valuable, informative and simple videos, help others, ask them to buy from your link in the description and in the bio just like we do. They will love you, they will follow you and they will buy from you over and over again. It all comes from your sincere interest of helping others using the time you spend on browsing, learning stuff and sharing that stuff with the world. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, the easy way, the fast way and the fun way. All we want from you is a hit in the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts so everyone else learns how to make money online the same way you will learn. They will love you for sharing awesome information. They will follow you and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money and hundreds of thousands of other people are making money online and you can do it too. Start today. Hit the like button, share this video and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video and we will see you in the next one.